What's happening, third grade musicians? Welcome back to Mr. Camacho's Music Lessons. Today we're going to be talking about dynamic choices in music, and we're going to be doing that through the lens of African American spirituals. So did you know that African American spirituals are one kind of unique American music? They were created by Africans who were brought to America as enslaved persons. They were usually about religious subjects like God or their desire to be free, because they, as being slaves, they didn't have freedoms like we do. Anyway, so you're going to be hearing some different African spirituals, and we're going to be looking at how to choose which dynamic to sing, how loud we should sing, depending on words or the subjects the songs are about. So first, let's look at a song called Hush Hush. And while the song is going, try to follow along with the words. And at the end, we're gonna try to decide, is this a song we should be singing quietly like a whisper, piano? Or loudly like we're screaming, forte? Or maybe somewhere in the middle, where we're just normal talking voice, mezzo forte. All right, so think about that while you're listening.
Hush now, hush, oh hush now,
somebody's calling my name.
Oh hush now, oh hush now,
Somebody's calling my name.
oh hush now, oh hush now,
Somebody's calling my name.
oh my Lord,
Oh my Lord, what shall I do?
hush now, oh hush now, oh hush now, Lord, Lord.
Oh Lord is calling my name. Oh Lord is calling my name. Oh Lord is calling my name. Oh my Lord, what shall I do? You, Lord, are calling my name. You, Lord, are calling my name. Oh my Lord, what shall I do?
Okay, so now that we've listened to the song, let's talk about how we're gonna sing it, right? We gotta decide, do we need to sing this loud, like we're yelling it, or like a medium, like we're talking, or a whisper, right? So the words are, hush, hush, somebody's calling my name, right? So if we're singing the words hush, do you think we should be singing with a piano whisper, or a mezzo forte, like a regular speaking voice like right now? Or should we be yelling it, hush? Ooh, for those of you who think that you should be yelling it, that's not very nice. You shouldn't be yelling at people like that, right? We want to whisper it. We want to go, hush, hush, somebody's calling my name. Right? And then the second verse is, who, Lord, is calling my name? So do you think that when we're singing, who, Lord, who is calling my name, should we still be whispering it, piano? Should we be doing mezzo forte, like we're talking? Or should we be yelling it, who? Oh no, for those of you who like to yell, maybe you should use your indoor voice when you're talking to other people, unless you were trying to yell across a field. But right now, let's do it like a mezzo forte, yeah, because that's like we're just talking to the people around us. Who, Lord, is calling my name? Right? Okay, and then the last verse is, you, Lord, is calling my name. So when we're talking, in this part, we're imagining we're talking to the Lord, right? And where does the Lord live? The Lord lives way up there in the sky. So if we're going to talk to the Lord, we got to be a little loud. He's got to be able to hear us. So this is our time to be forte, right? You, Lord, is calling my name. Right? So we want to use a more stronger, louder volume when we're singing to the Lord. He's way up there, right? Okay. All right, so let's listen to that. Let's try singing that song again. But now that we have a better idea of our dynamic choices, let's try singing it with the right dynamics, all right? So the first time, hush, somebody's calling my name, whisper, piano, okay? And then the second verse, who, Lord, is calling my name? That's going to be more mezzo forte, like you're talking to the people in the room with you. And then the last verse, you, Lord, is calling my name. You're going to use a strong forte voice for that one, okay? So let's try singing that song again, but now with our dynamic choices.
Hush now, oh hush now,
Somebody's calling my name.
oh hush now, oh hush now,
Somebody's calling my name.
oh hush now, oh hush now,
Somebody's calling my name.
oh my Lord,
Oh my Lord, what shall I do?
hush now, oh hush now, oh hush now, hush now, Lord.